Pushrod Fury. All right, Pushrod Fury here. When you have bikes, you freaking got lots of work to do, right? Or you got to be independently wealthy. So today, fork seal day. For some reason, when I did the XS750, because I'm not perfect, I did all this work to it, right? Didn't replace the fork seals. How dumb is that? Doesn't even make sense. Yeah, and I've got no record of buying fork seals for it, so it's not like I did it and forgot, which I was hoping was the case. But either way, the fork seals are bad. But someone wrote, and they just wrote like a cryptic message to me. They said, why are you taking your forks off to rebuild them? I was thinking, gee, I wonder what, well, you know, I like to clean it, right? I like to get the fork leg cleaned out. Then I was thinking, it's a pain in the ass, right? You gotta take the wheel off, the calipers off. This bike's super finicky, and I'm lazy. So what I did is I took out the fork bolt. So I'm gonna show you here. I took out the damper rod bolt there and put the handlebars over here. So you can see I took them off and they're resting. Then I loosened the clamps on the fork and I'm sliding the fork tube up. What I'm hoping is that I'll successfully remove the fork seal and get this rebuild done. So I'll make sure that the fork leg's nice and clean, no burrs on it, and all of that. So that's what I'm doing. So you can see now. Right, I'm sliding this up. See, it's a bit of a mess. So look at that, it's coming out. So when I take this out, I have a nice clean place to put it so it doesn't cause any problems. So for now, I'll put you over here. Again, I've never done this before. It seems a little funny, but I was thinking there's really no harm in doing this. I can think of. Watch. People be telling me, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that. I think that can fall out. Fall off. Yeah, just like that. So. Okay. So just make sure you don't lose that guy. All right. Oh, he's a little dirty, so we'll clean him up. Okay. That. I like to run just a little bit of fork oil through there to rinse the things out. Just let that drain. Just gonna stuff this in there. Stuff that down there. And it went. So I asked if I could borrow it. I'm sure. I borrow it. Take it. You know, turn it. Scoopy sludge out there. Okay. Now I gotta poke it up out of there. Much better. All right, so we got that dirt out of there, which is good. I'll peek back down in there. Stuff that in there. Spacer goes in first. It goes in the cup facing down. Like that. Mallet. Great. Let me hit this side first. Okay. Sounds about right. And you can see the clip, where the clip goes. Okay, and I'll show you what that looks like. So that's all seated in there, right? Looks good. So now, so we got this nonsense here. I guess we have to inspect it. Why is my camera 1,000 degrees? Anyway, we gotta inspect this and make sure there's no marks on it, you know, burrs on it or anything, chewing up stuff. So the best way to do this is with your finger. Oh yeah, look at that. Take a piece of steel wool to that. Let's see. You can feel it. should nick too. Okay, well, it all looks clean. The little guy there, clean him up. You should be able to see that. It shouldn't be a problem. It's not going to travel with a fork. Okay, well, these things are bare to get out. So, anyway, new O-ring. Put that in oil.
Yeah, get out of here. Yeah, I know that's a Kawasaki KE. I had one when I was a kid.
Oh yeah?
Kawasaki KE. I had that same bike when I was a kid, man.
Well, you're lucky because
that's a KE, right?
it's that's the H1, so it's a 2 or 3 years before your KE.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, right? I had a KE. I was little too. I was scared of that bike too.
Yeah, I was gonna say, well, you're still alive, so you're lucky as shit,
Yeah,
or a good rider.
That's a classic, and it's still nice and clean. That's nice.
Man, I was a pile of garbage when I got it.
Yeah.
I've been working on it for 2 years now. Thank you.
Hey, you know what?
Let's put that back in. Anyway, I'm pushing this in with the screwdriver and I'm going to finagle this in. Don't do this at home. So I'm just going to turn this off.